who sends goons to All Saints Cathedral? What are you doing? Goons and saints, I hope they came here for conversion and nothing else. It is not even so much the goons, it is who is the owner of these goons. Who is uncomfortable with budget discussions? Budget documents are supposed to be public. Even the leader of majority clarified in an attempt to correct the opposition that the budget reading is no longer budget reading. Budget estimates have been with Parliament. So that's a public document, and we will be here every day. We have chosen All Saints Cathedral as a venue because Uhuru Park is no longer open for us. Because when we go to Jivanji, we are no longer safe.
Police were able to come in to repel that group. They had to fire in the air to disrupt. They ran out, but thankfully they were able to arrest one of them. So we've got critical lead information from that one particular person who was arrested, and we can establish that that group was sent by politicians who are not happy with what we are doing here as All Saints Cathedral alongside our partners who are gathered here. We want to ask the political class that you cannot muzzle the voices of the people. And organizing goons to come and attack the public, and worst of all, in a church setting, is sacrilegious and incredibly uncalled for. We condemn this in the strongest terms possible. Once the investigators establish those links and the lead politicians who sent them, we will be making their names known very soon for the public to shame them.